binary search algorithm, the elements must be in order. Either it must be in ascending order or it must be in descending order. So in the last session we discussed about the linear search algorithm. So in linear search algorithm, the elements are unordered. The elements are unordered. That means the elements are not in either ascending or descending order. If the elements are not ordered, then we go for linear search. If the elements are ordered, then we go for binary search algorithm. So here in the binary search algorithm, we have some steps. So the first step is what? The step is that divide the list. Divide list. So whenever you are dividing, we find a middle element, right? Now we compare this middle element with the search element. If both are equal, then we found that element found message we are going to display. If both are not same, then we go for searching of right sublist or left sublist. Why? Because we are making two lists here. Now consider an example. Here I have an elements of 9 elements in array with the numbers as 10, 12, 20, 32, 50, 55, 65, 80 and 99. So these elements are in order of ascending. So all values are in increasing order. Now I am considering the search element as 80. So what is our algorithm? First divide the list. So first you divide this list into two parts. So these 4 elements are one part, these 4 elements are one part, this is the middle element. Now the next step is what? Finding of middle element. I found that this 50 is the middle element, right? Now in this middle element I am comparing with the search elements. Our search element is what? 80. Now this 50 and 80 are equal or not? I have to check. Now if 50 and 80 are equal, then we display that element found. If not equal, either go for left sublist or right sublist. So how to know which side you have to go? Now if the search element, if search element 80 is greater than the middle element, that is 50, then move right sublist. Then move right sublist. Okay, now 80 is greater than 50. We have to search in this sublist. Clear? Now here I am writing 80 is compared with the middle element 50. Both are not matching and 80 is greater than 50. So we search in the right sublist. That is 80 not equals to 50. So find the middle element in the right sublist. Now this is the right sublist. Again do the same process. Now we have a list. Again find out the middle element in this. Now in previous case we have 9 elements. So fourth position element as we are considering as middle element. But here we have only 4 elements. Now in these 4 elements we can divide the middle element as 65 or 80. Now I am considering the middle element as 65. You can consider it 80 also, no problem. Now I am considering the middle element as 65. Again the same step. Search element 80 is compared with the middle element in the right sublist, that is with the 65. If both are same, search element 80 and the middle element 65, both are same, then we display that element found. If not, again we move for the right sublist. So how to check the right sublist or left sublist? Now here 80 is greater than the 65, that is middle element. If a search element is greater than the middle element, move right. If 80 is not greater than the 65, move left sublist. So here this condition is satisfied. So we move right sublist. Now what is the right sublist? 80 and 99. This is a right sublist. Again go for the same step. Now this 80 and 99 are the right sublist for the middle element. 80 is greater than 65, so we search in the right sublist, that is 80 and 99. Now divide it. Again find the middle element. So middle element is what? Only we have two elements. We cannot say middle element, so I am considering the middle element as 80. Now search element 80 is compared with the middle element 80. Now both are equal. Element found at 8th position message we are going to display. So what we are doing in this? each and every time, first divide the list, then find out the middle element, compare the search element with the middle element. If both are equal, there itself you display element found. If not equal, then check the condition whether the middle element is greater than the search element or less than the search element. If the middle element is search element is greater than the middle element, move right. If search element is less than the middle element, that is 50, move left. So in our case it is greater, so we are forwarding to the next side. Okay, clear this one? Now we'll go for program of binary search algorithm. See here, this is a program of binary search. First, I am including header files of iostream.h. To have the getch and clear screen functions, I am adding con io.h. As usual, void main function. Now first I am creating a prototype, that means function declaration for the binary search, and it accepts an array and two integer values. Now int, I am taking one number and I am using array of 10 elements and element ELE for searching an element, and I am considering a result. See out, enter 10 elements. Now 10 elements are entered one after the other, so I have to use a for loop. For I is equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. C in A of I. So each and every time when loop is changes, the value is entered into A of 0, A of 1, so on until A of 9. Now if 10 becomes I becomes 10, the condition false, control will never accept a value and it comes out of that. Again next what we are accepting, cout, enter element to search. What you are searching, you are requiring an element. Now I am entering the element as 80. Now your ELE contains what? 80. Now result is equals to binary search. Now you are calling a function binary search. To that you are passing array, right, and number of elements and the element whichever you want to find out. Clear? Now whenever you are calling this, the control immediately goes to the binary search function. Now here we have a binary search function that accepts array and that accepts number of elements. The number of elements are 10. So this element is the search element 80. Now here I am considering first, last and middle position. Initially we are always array starts with 0. So array is 0 and last is equals to number minus 1. So how much value we have in 10? 10 minus 1, that is equals to 9. First is 0, last is 9. Clear? Here next what we are checking, first element is less than or is equals to last. What is the first value? The first value is 0 and the last value is 9. Is 0 is less than 9? Yes. Condition true. If the condition true, then we enter into the loop, right? So we started a loop here. Now what is the first thing of binary search algorithm? Finding of middle element. Manaku first element, last element telistene middle element find out cheyochu. So for that I am considering first and last. Now middle is equals to first plus last by 2. So first lo entundi 0, last lo entundi 9 by 2. That means what? 9 by 2 means 4.5, but we are considering mid as integer, so it is taking 4.5 value as 4. So middle position element as 4. So మనకు middle position element ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది? Middle position element ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మిడిల్ పొజిషన్ ఎలిమెంట్ 4, దాంట్లో మనకి 50 అనేది వచ్చింది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 0, లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 9. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ 9. See here, next, what is the first thing after finding the middle element? Search element 80, search element is 80, is gets compared with middle element, a of mid. A of 4 లో మనకి ఎంత ఉంది? 50 ఉంది. So 80 and 50 are equal. If yes, return the middle value. Return mid. ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తున్నాం? 4ని రిటర్న్ చేసేస్తున్నాం. So if not equal, we are come to the else part. In else part, what you are doing? If element is greater than the middle element, what we are making? First is equals to mid plus 1. మన ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 80. Search element ఏంటి? 80. A of mid element 50. 80 greater than 50. Now first is equals to mid plus 1. మనకు mid ఎంత వచ్చింది? 4 వచ్చింది. F first is equals to 4 plus 1. 5. సో ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు 5 అయిపోయింది కదా. ఈ 5 ఇప్పుడు ఎల్స్ పార్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందా? అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ ఏమైపోయింది? వైల్ లూప్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడికి వైల్ లూప్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. సో కంట్రోల్ ఎక్కడికి బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది? మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వైల్కి వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్లో ఎంత ఉంది? 5, రైట్. లాస్ట్లో ఎంత ఉంది? 9. 5 is less than or equals to 9 or not? Now again find out the middle element. 5 plus 9 by 2. So what is the first element? 5. Last element 9. 5 plus 9 14. 14 by 2. So next element you are considering as what? 7th position element as the next element. So first element is 5. Last element is 9. So check out in the list. Next sublist is what? We are considering the next sublist as 55, 5th position to 9th element. 55, 65, 80 and 99 is the sublist. So next this is it becoming first, it becoming last, right? Now 5 plus the 9th position element. Index is 8 but it is the 9th element, last element. 5 plus 9 by 2, that makes 14. Now we are considering the next element as 65. Clear? అర్థమైందా? Now this is the way of finding the sublist, and repeat the same process and repeat this while loop similarly until 80 and middle element 80 both are same, and we return the mid value. And this mid value, where it goes? From where you call this function? From where we call this function? From this location. So your result contains what? Middle position. That means at where the value is same? Our value is same at number 7 location. So index is 7 but element is at 8th position. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th position లో ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది బట్ దాని ఇండెక్స్ ని రిటర్న్ చేస్తున్నా. సో 7, right? So your result contains what? Your result contains 7. If result is not equals to -1, 7 is not equals to -1, so go for else part. Wait a minute. So here the condition is satisfied. 7 not equals to -1, condition true kada. So found at result plus 1. Result lo ఎంత ఉంది? 7 ఉంది. Plus 1, that means 8. Found at position 8 message will be displayed. Clear? అర్థమైందా? సో ఇక్కడ ఎలిమెంట్ ఎక్కడ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవ్వకపోతే వైల్ లూప్ లో లాస్ట్ మనం రిటర్న్ -1 రాసాం కదా. ఈ రిటర్న్ -1 అనేది ఈ రిజల్ట్ కి రిటర్న్ అవుతుంది. సో -1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు -1, కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయ్యి ఎలిమెంట్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అనే మెసేజ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. క్లియర్ దిస్ బైనరీ సెర్చ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్?